Is your .NET P Invoke Wrapper for WSAPI32 apps broken by the P Invoke Terminal Services API 32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before diving into the manual fix for P Invoke Terminal Services API 32, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the P Invoke Terminal Services API 32. A specialized P and Invoke wrapper that bridges calls to the standard Windows Remote Desktop (WTS) API. It manages localized user session queries for modded launchers and trainers. If missing, the software will report an API bind failure when attempting to verify the local user environment. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files such as P Invoke Terminal Services API 32 DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with P Invoke Terminal Services API 32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing P Invoke Terminal Services API 32 DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines P Invoke Terminal Services API 32 optimization concepts. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing P Invoke Terminal Services API 32 was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.